Monito, setting a new standard in online testing. With AI-powered proctoring and automation, Monito ensures a secure and efficient testing environment. A simpler, fairer way to test. Introducing Monito. Monito uses AI to manage the entire testing process on one secure platform. Administrators can create exams in just a few steps with customizable settings like camera requirements, multi-step identity verification, and specific anti-cheating protocols. Once candidates are invited, everything is ready to begin. Candidates access a secured testing room via email invitation. They begin by sharing their screen and enabling their webcam. Then complete the check-in by scanning an on-screen QR code with the Monito mobile app. AI verifies identity by comparing their ID photo to a real-time facial scan. Next, the candidate conducts a 360-degree scan of their room and positions their mobile phone to provide a continuous secondary view of the testing environment. If multiple monitors are detected or a proctoring device disconnects, access is blocked instantly. To prevent misconduct, unauthorized actions like using external apps, copy-paste, and even AI assistance tools are blocked. The AI proctoring system detects unusual eye movement in real time, a candidate leaving their seat, or the presence of other people. It also identifies unauthorized items like smartwatches. Furthermore, its speech-to-text analysis monitors for conversations to prevent answers from being shared verbally. Proctors review key details and connection status on the dashboard before starting the session. The system allows proctors to efficiently monitor large groups of candidates at once, then focus on individuals, or quickly issue warnings via chat. The dashboard keeps all candidates in view, letting proctors respond quickly and confidently. When the exam ends, results and analytics are clear at a glance. Flagged incidents of potential misconduct can be reviewed using recorded video playback and an AI-generated report, providing clear evidence for a fair and defensible outcome. Monito, leading the way to smarter, fairer, AI-driven testing.